Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download golf course data so you can go do the golf activity using your Garmin Instinct 2 watch. Now I mentioned Instinct 2 because if you've got the Instinct 1 model, this video is not going to help you. You can't download golf course information to the Instinct 1 and you can't do a golf activity on the Instinct 1, but you can do that on the Instinct 2. The thing that's unique about the Instinct 2 is unlike the Phoenix or Forerunner or some of the more expensive models, those watches already have all golf course data available on them, or at least most golf course data. The Instinct 2, you have to know which course you're going to play, go out, download that course onto the watch before you play, and then you can use the golf activity. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's going to be pretty easy. We're going to start by pressing the GPS button on our watch, and then we're going to go choose the golf activity. Now, if you don't see it in your listing, you might have to add it. It should be on your watch, but it's not one that's already installed as an activity for you. I'm going to press the GPS button. I'm going to go into the golf activity. First thing it's going to do is connect to the GPS. You don't have to wait for that. I can simply press the down button to skip that. And it's going to go start looking at any golf course information I've got on my watch. It says select a course. You'll notice that there's nothing for me to choose here. It says download more with Garmin Connect. I can press GPS. I can do anything. Basically, I'm stuck. I really can't go do anything with the golf activity because I don't have any golf course information. So let's get off the watch. Now we're going to go on our cell phone and we are going to go to the Garmin Golf app and we're going to download some course information, get it into our watch, and then we'll take a look at it on the watch. Okay, so as I mentioned, now I'm on my cell phone. Now there's a couple different ways you can go download golf course information. First, let me say I'm an Apple user. It shouldn't matter whether you're Apple or Android. You're going to either need the Garmin Connect app or the Garmin Golf app. Now you should already have the Garmin Connect app if you've got the Instinct 2 Solar, but I'm going to show you in the Garmin Golf app as well. If I use the Garmin Golf app to download golf course information, it will write that information over to the Garmin Connect app automatically and send it to my watch, or vice versa. If I have it in Garmin Connect, it'll write it over to Garmin Golf. The two basically talk to each other. So let's go into Garmin Golf. When we go in there, at the very bottom right, there's a section that says more and has 3 dots. If I choose that, it will show me some different menu options. One of them in the middle there is downloaded courses. I can choose that, and then in the middle I can choose add courses. It's going to bring up all the courses near to my location. I can simply swipe through till I find the one I want, or if I'm going, let's say I'm going to Florida or something and I want to look for a golf course, I can type in the search menu and type in whatever course I'm looking for. So let's just type one in. I'll show you what it looks like. And then again, we can click download and download that golf course. So that would be how we would do it in Garmin Golf. Let's go look in Garmin Connect. In Garmin Connect, it's very similar. When we go into our Garmin Connect app, at the very bottom right, there's a section again that says more with 3 dots. If I click on that, kind of in the middle of the page, you'll see an option that says download golf courses. I can go in there, I can click on the plus, and it's going to be just like what we saw in Garmin Golf. It's going to pull up all the courses near me, or again, I can go up to the search bar and type in anything I want to. So let's download one. I'm going to type in Barton Creek and let's do Barton Creek Resort, Fazio Foothills. So I'm going to simply click on the download button. There's a plus mark. Now it should automatically be downloaded. We can see it there. And all I need to do at this point is sync my Garmin Connect account to my Garmin Instinct 2, and we should have this golf course available for the golf app. Let's go back on the watch and let's see. Okay, so we're back on the watch. Let's go do the golf activity and let's see whether or not the Barton Creek course we just downloaded is now available on our watch. I'm going to press the GPS button just like we did before. I'm going to go into the golf app. I'm not even going to wait for the satellites to connect. I'm simply going to press the down button. It's basically looking, it's pulling information in, and there's the 2 courses I can choose from. Barton Creek Fazio is the last one that we downloaded. It also pulled in the other course I had in my Garmin Connect account. So now I can simply choose which golf course am I going to play, so the watch knows the correct holes, yardage, stuff like that for me to do the golf activity. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.